Shenzhen Source Pack Company Limited, established in 2013, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of plastic bags, food bags, paper bags, biodegradable bags, aluminum foil bag, laminated bags, roll film, sticker labels, and paper boxes. We are located in Shenzhen City, with convenient transportation access. We have OEM and ODM service with export license, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, France, the Netherlands, Japan, Russia, India, and other countries. Our cooperative factory with 3 standard production lines and more than 40 skilled workers. Our daily production reaches 150,000 pieces. Production capacity is leading in the industry. The raw materials, semi-finished products, and finished products will be strictly inspected to win the customer's trust, which enables us to ensure the good quality and fulfill your order on time. We welcome new and old customers from all walks of life to contact us for the growth of both our businesses and to create strategic relationships for the success of our future. Shenzhen Source Pack Company Limited, get your product package. Have it loved at a glance.